Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to use the Timescale feature in Zoho Project, the 2025 full guide. This feature is a real game changer for managing your projects, allowing you to visualize and navigate through your project timeline effectively. Now, the first step is to log into Zoho Project and click on the Tasks and Milestones option on the left-hand side panel. This is where the magic begins. It allows you to see all your tasks and milestones in one place. Next up, click on the Gantt View tab at the top of your screen. This view provides a visual representation of your project timeline, making it easier to comprehend task durations and dependencies. The reason we do this is to help identify potential bottlenecks or delays in the project. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the Timescale feature. You'll find it on the upper right side of the Gantt view. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options, such as day, week, month, or year. This helps us because it allows us to adjust the timeline view to focus on specific periods within the project, making it more manageable and less overwhelming. Let me explain why this matters. Let's say you're working on a long-term project, and you want to focus on what's happening this week. Simply select Week from the Timescale options, and voila! You can now see your project activities for the week. Finally, don't forget to click on the Zoom In and Zoom Out buttons next to the Timescale feature. They allow you to get a closer look or a broader view of your project timeline, respectively. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zooming in helps when you need to scrutinize details of tasks, while zooming out is for a bird's-eye view of the project's progress. And that's it. You've just learned how to use the Timescale feature in Zoho Project. This powerful tool will help you keep on top of your project timelines and ensure everything stays on track. Keep exploring and start maximizing your project management skills with Zoho Project. Thanks for watching.